Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a more creative eyeshadow tutorial. I've done the whole face, but obviously it's mainly focused on the eye look. We had some troubles, as you'll see, with the eyeliner. Like, it just wasn't opaque enough. Like, you can just see kind of straight through it, and it kind of ruined the eye look because you could just see through the eyeliner. So we're just going to pretend that the eyeliner looks really good and it didn't mess up the whole eye look because this took so long to do. But I did literally just have to kind of point to the shades I was using. I have told you what palette I used, but I haven't been able to kind of talk through the eye tutorial because construction began outside as soon as I started to film. So I've been able to talk through the rest of it, but not the eyes. But I still show you everything I use and how to do it. So if you do like the look of this makeup look, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. I've obviously done one eye already. I had some issues with this eye. The eyeliner just wasn't working out, so I've just tried to do the best I could and try and fix it. Okay, so the construction that's going on outside is actually done now, so I can talk. But yeah, this eyeliner, it's the Revolution Pro Liquid Liner, the white one. It's not very pigmented, so literally when you apply it, it then, like, it's not white, like it moves around and then it goes a bit see-through. You have to apply so many layers and it just didn't work out. That's why the liner looks so bad. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's just breaking up where it is. So I need to get a different white liner because that one is no good for me. I'm gonna move on to the face now. So I'm gonna take the No Problem primer from Touch in Sol, and I kind of miss it. Like, it's a really good primer. Then for foundation, I'm gonna be using kind of my current favorite foundation at the minute, which is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation. And I know, like, matte and me don't really mix very well. It's the only foundation I've been using off camera, and it's just really, really nice. Like, seriously, it's not too matte, but it keeps, like, any oils away throughout the day, which is obviously what I want. And it just has a really nice finish. Like, it's not like if you just look there, it's got a glow, but once it's kind of on and kind of throughout the day, it just holds the oils back really, really well, but it doesn't look drying or too matte on the face, and that's what I think I just really love about it. I just used the same, I went for the shade that I am in their Born This Way foundation, which is Natural Beige, and it seems to be the exact same shade, so If you know your shade in their other foundation, then I'm pretty sure the shade range is the same, because this shade looks exactly the same anyway. Concealer, I'm still using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer at the minute. I just kind of want to use up this one because it's probably the oldest Colourpop shade that I've got, so I kind of want to just use it. With this foundation, I didn't even set my T-zone the other day, like when I first tried it, and I wore it for the whole day and I didn't get shiny whatsoever. I just kind of forgot to powder here, but I feel like sometimes I just feel like with this foundation you don't have to, because it holds the oils back really well. So yeah. So for the lower lash line, I think I might kind of do the opposite to what's going on the top. So I think I'm gonna do like the yellow on the outer corner and then do like the orange on the inner. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome. I haven't used this in a while, I just had it sitting in my drawer and I just don't know why I haven't used it. To kind of contour and bronze, I'm going to take the Misslyn bronzer in Holiday Hooray. I'm going to take a orangey blush. This is by NYX and it's in the shade Ignite. I never know what this is called because it says Ignite / Passion, so either of those names. For lips, I wanted to go with something red to kind of go with the red and the oranges. So this is the Beauty Bakerie Lip Whip and it's in the shade Mango Tea. Yeah? Hibiscus Mango Tea is what it's called. Okay, we'll go with it. Over it because it's just not very opaque. It's just okay. So I'm trying to go over with a second layer because you could just see straight through that first one. So that's the end of the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Minus the flop with the eyeliner, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.